Hi guys, it was only after I recorded the intro that I realized that the camera was out of focus because I was just trying my new macro focus feature and I left it on manual focus. So today we're going to just talk about the Les Trem and its inherent design issue. I've been snapping the first two strings on a regular basis, so I thought I'd have a look to see what exactly is going on. And after stripping it, I realized that there are some burrs. So let's have a look at how we can fix that. Here you can see what's actually going on. The string starts unwrapping itself from the ball end side, and I'm not sure why that is, but I think as it leaves the tremolo, there's a sharp edge there, and I'm not sure if that's pushing the turnings down, the twists down towards the ball end, but it does snap there. So the first thing we do is I just remove the trem, and it's just a simple procedure of removing the strings and unscrewing the top part, and then just with the appropriate Allen key remove the locking grub screw and push the little shaft out the way, and then you can swivel the top piece away from the base. Right, here we can see what I'm talking about, those sharp edges. I'm going to just take a small round file to them first, and as I file away here I'm also going to try and round the this whole section over so that the string is not being compressed in any way. While I was at it, I decided to do the next string as well. I haven't broken one of these, but while we're at it we might as well do the other one as well. I decided to flip it over and also found some burrs on this side, so once again I'm just rounding over. I also came with some 400 sandpaper, which I didn't film, just to smooth the scratches out. After that I came with some metal polish on a piece of string and buffed the sanding marks out. And this worked pretty well actually. Well, I put it all back together again, and here's hoping that I stop snapping strings. Guys, thanks so much for joining. If you like, please hit the like and subscribe, or comment down below if you've had any problems, and yeah, we'll see you next time.